If you suspect that your Steam account has been compromised, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Steam support website. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open a account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Select I can't access my account. On the Steam support page, look for the option that says I can't access my account. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Identify your account. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your email address or phone number associated with your Steam account. Provide the necessary details to help identify your account. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Once your account is identified, follow the on-screen instructions. This may involve verifying your identity through email or phone verification and answering security questions if you have set them up. Step 5. Change your password and secure your account. After regaining access, immediately change your password to something strong and unique. Additionally, enable Steam Guard for extra security to protect your account from future unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Steam account and ensure it remains secure. Always remember to monitor your account for any unusual activity in the future.